Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, in case it wasn't clear by his beautiful outfit, we are doing a Halloween decorate with me. Now, check out his little suit, guys. I got this in TK Maxx. I forgot to show you this in the haul. It's got little wings on the back and his lovely little hood. And let me tell you guys, if I try and take it off him, he's not impressed. He absolutely loves it. But we will be under strict supervision today by this our little Halloween hound. But anyway guys, so we're going to be doing fall decorate, Halloween decorate with me today. And we're going to get this place looking nice and spooky for the spooky season of Halloween, along with our little man here. I really hope you guys enjoy today's video. And I hope this will help you get in the mood for this spooky season, along with our little supervisor here, our little Halloween hound. So without further ado, let's get started. Do you love your costume? Do you? Are you happy boy in your costume? There you go, good boy. Okay guys, so these are, if you guys will remember, I took out the inserts from last year, our decorations from last year. This little box I got is the coupon, whatever you call it, it's from IKEA. I think it's for like clothing and stuff, really good for clothing organisation as well, but yeah. So what I wanted to do first guys was go over a little hack with you that I picked up for preserving your Halloween decorations, because if you're anything like me, you like a bit of glitter and a bit of sparkle. Now the only thing with glitter and sparkle is it gets absolutely everywhere, and eventually after a couple of years, if you have the stuff long enough, it gets wrapped. So cool tip I picked up that I did on some of the Christmas decorations: hairspray. And what you do is you spray the hairspray onto the glitter decoration, and what it does, it seals in the glitter so that your stuff, it holds the glitter on it so it's not falling off. So I'm just going to quickly give this stuff a little blast of the hairspray, so we can preserve these and the glitter as long as we can. You can even see there I've barely touched it. I don't know if that'll focus, but my hands are already covered in glitter and I've barely touched it. So I'm going to give this a quick spritz, and I'm going to go through the glitter decorations. I have my new stuff in here, which I'll show you guys in a second. I'm just going to spray it down to stop the glitter going everywhere, and it's going to preserve the decorations for longer. Okay, so it turns out this is gone and the gas is gone on it, so I won't spray. So picked up another bottle of hairspray. So pro tip: test your hairspray before you do. As always guys, use appropriate ventilation anytime you're using an aerosol spray. Make sure the area is well ventilated. Now you are safe enough with hairspray. It's not a very strong chemical, but there is still chemicals in it. There is still solvents in it, so use your own discretion. So I'm going to prep this, and then I'm going to start getting our little glittery bits and get them sprayed so we can maintain the decorations for as long as possible. And just be aware, when you spray this, it will be a little bit wet to the touch. You will still get a little bit of glitter, so what I'd say is spray it and then leave it to dry. Okay? Just like your hair. So next thing I'm going to do guys is just, these are my new decorations. Let me quickly share these with you. So I've got this cute door cover, it's like potions. I've got these window silhouettes. I'm hoping to use them on the front door, but I need to see how big they are first. And then I got this little spooky banner that again I'll probably use in the door like last year. I tried to save the one from last year, but unfortunately it fell apart. And then I've got these lovely little pumpkins. So again, glitter on these three, so we need to, sorry you guys can see them okay? And these are also light up decorations. They have like a little button on the bottom. The inside lights up. I'll show them to you now. They just got to change colour. They're pretty cute. So I want to spray these so the glitter doesn't all fall off. And this one here, you can't really see the glitter on this. It's easier to see at night, but it is glittery. I'm just going to spray them now guys. Okay guys, so I think that's all the glittery stuff now. I've sprayed the tree, these little hanging ornaments off the sides. The other tree here, my little pumpkin, so I'm going to leave them for a couple of minutes to dry off, and then I can hang them. But for what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start hanging this stuff over my wreath and my like ceramic pumpkins, and I've my other few bits, so I will let you guys know. I'll start hanging them now and then I'll let you guys know as well. I'll put in a bit about how well this works, or obviously right now it's still wet so it's still glitter, but hopefully it'll work. Okay guys, so I've just popped up my autumn wreath. I'm a bit late putting it up this year, but so I'll bring you guys in a bit close so you can see. So we kind of want to Halloweeny it up, and I got these last year, these little skeletons. You guys can see them okay. They're only $1.50 and I got 4 of them, so I said I'd pop them in the wreath. And I think it's nice as well if you can get little things like this to integrate it into your autumn decor decorations and stuff like that, because it can be very time consuming to decorate for Halloween, and if you already have a lot of autumn kind of fall decorations up, you know, little things like this can just make it a little bit more festive. Now I'm just trying to secure them there so they don't fall off. But yeah, I just kind of did them in like a little clock formation, so just add a bit of kind of Halloween to it. But yeah, so I'm going to move on now to the porch. So that is the end of today's video. I am here with our lovely Halloween hound, our wonderful spooky supervisor. He's got his lovely costume on. He just went out there for his WALK and he got many admirers in his lovely outfit. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below, ring the bell, you'll be notified every time a video goes live on the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you like Mac's costume, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I hope you have a great week ahead and a wonderful rest of your day. And for me and the supervisor and everyone here, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I want to wish you, in case I don't talk to you before then, a very happy Halloween, and I will talk to you all soon. Okay, love you all. Bye.